Hi Planet Bestie, welcome to my page. In this video, I'm showing Happy Mail that I received from RoseColoredDaze, also paper, and Rong Devoe. So I utilized reward points that I had earned at these different stores to get this Happy Mail. And I was surprised that I had so many points available. So I said, let me go ahead and treat myself. So this is from RoseColoredDaze, these sticky notes. I had them a few years ago, but I think they're probably at the other house because I don't have them where I'm at right now. And I do not feel like looking for it. But since I had reward points, I decided to get some more Luxe sticky notes from them. They are transparent. And she has a variety of colors and different sizes. And with this particular order, because I did have so many reward points, I only had to pay for shipping. And I absolutely love her sticky notes. And I saw some new items on her shop that I plan to go back and get as well. And I definitely will leave her shop link in the description along with the other shops that's in this particular video. So the referral link that I will include in the description will be able to save you some coins. Why pay full price when you can be frugal and save a lot of cash on your order? So these sticky notes has beautiful foil. That gold is absolutely beautiful. The silver foil that she has is pretty too. I like these colors as well. And in the dark color, I would definitely be using probably a white ink pen on those. But they're transparent sticky notes. So she did include freebies with this particular order. It's transparent sticker. Let's see, and it's a silver foil, so this would definitely look good with blackout planning, the dates and everything. And then it's the March calendar sticker. So now let's open up the also paper Happy Mail. And this is the Beyoncé stickers for her release date of her new country music. She doesn't sell stickers regularly now, though she does sell digital and she's selling other items. So make sure you check her out and make sure you subscribe. She did include a free die cut sticker. This is the sticker, yay, and the Good Vibes is a die cut sticker. So I ordered the Rong tape of the Black Girl Magic 2. I got the sticker book a few weeks ago and I did a Happy Mail video on that. And I absolutely love the sticker book. So I definitely had to get this tape. And I don't know why I didn't get it the first time. But I'm so glad I got it. This time I only paid for shipping because I utilized the reward points I had earned. And I will be including a referral link in the description so you can save some coins on your next Rong Devoe order. These stickers are absolutely beautiful. I absolutely love the color scheme of these particular stickers. I love the quotes and everything. Definitely a must-have. They're just absolutely stunning. Thank you so much for taking time out your busy schedules to watch this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to leave a comment.